Hi, I'm Carl Richter, Vice President General Manager of Kyntronics. We're a smaller company, wear multiple hats, mainly focused on sales and engineering. Solutions to actuation challenges out there in the world for companies. We're an innovative company. As I mentioned, there's not too many people in the world that are doing what we're doing. And we're very customer focused, motion oriented. And again, we're partnering with Rockwell to go after the hydraulics business and provide a nice, sustainable solution, coordinated solution with Rockwell. There's only a few companies in the world that are doing what we're doing, and really nobody's doing pretty much exactly what we're doing. We have a broad offering from small to 100,000 pound force, and we combine the technologies of electromechanical actuators along with hydraulic actuators, and we combine the benefits while solving the challenge of both those technologies, and that's what really is resonating, and we're focused today on sustainable manufacturing. Developing what they call an AOI, add-on instruction, that goes into the Rockwell PLC. The main purpose of that is to make it a simple, seamless type integration into Rockwell along with our actuation. So there was a demand to, again, make things simpler, and we have sample programs and all kinds of things to make it easy with the Rockwell customers out there.